Hello everyone. Today we are going to answer these interview questions. So, 8 interview questions. First one: what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side. It is built on the V8 JavaScript engine and uses an event-driven non-blocking IO model, making it efficient for handling multiple requests and simultaneously. Differences between those things is nothing but use a Apache or PHP uses a multi-threaded model, meaning each request spawns a new thread which can be resource intensive. Node.js uses a single-threaded event loop with the asynchronous callbacks, allowing it to handle thousands of connections efficiently without spawning multiple threads. Next, second question: what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is nothing but a function passed to an argument to another function and executed later. Why use asynchronous programming? Because in Node.js, non-blocking meaning functions like reading a file or making an API request don't stop execution. Instead, they take a callback function that gets executed once the operation is completed. Example: JS copy, edit. Next, what is the purpose of package.jsm file in the Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.jsm file is the configuration file for the Node.js project, containing metadata about the project and managing dependencies. Key properties are the name of the project, version, the current version of the project, a brief description of the project, the entry point file, like examples index.js in new.js, dependencies, list external packages required for the project, dev dependencies, list packages used only for development. Next, fourth question. Example the differences between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you one over the other? The older common JS module system used in Node.js before ES6. The newer ES6 module syntax be different. Constant express equal to require of express inside the bracket. Use require in older Node.js versions and when working with common JS modules. Use import in modern Node.js projects that supports ES models like module in packages.js. What is the middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an express application? So, middleware function are functions that have access to the request response and the next function in an express.js app. They are used for logging requests, passing request bodies, handling authentications, error handlings. Example middleware. Suppose syntax be like this: constant express equal to require express, constant app equal to express, custom middleware to login request, app.use request response. Next, the arrow function, console.log, the method request.method request.url. Next we are using server, we are creating a server app.listen of 3000. Next, sixth question: what is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API's representation state transfer is a web service that follows REST principles using HTTP methods to perform operations on reuses. Main HTTP methods get, post, put, delete, creating a REST APIs with Node.js and Express.js. The syntax be like this. Constant express equal to require f express, constant app equal to express. These are common to every code. App.use express.json middleware of to pass JSON file object to convert object code. Let creating an object, simple object. Next, the object will be called the inside the method app.getOff. Next, we are creating a server app.listen. Second, seventh question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager NPM and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? NPM Node Package Manager is used to install, manage, and update package in a Node.js project. Common commands: npm init -y, npm install express, npm install save dev node more, installs a dev dependencies. Npm updates all the installed packages. Npm install express, this command removes a packages. Next, last question. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing passwords is crucial for security because storing plain text passwords is dangerous. So prevent passwords theft if the database is hacked. So hashing is the one way, so passwords cannot be reversed. In the previous video, we see that we are saving a password with 5 letters, but it is storing a hashing letters of so many letters. So when the database is hacked, it cannot be threatened by the hackers. Modern hashing algorithms using salting to add randomness, making attacks like rainbow table attacks ineffective. Thank you.